Module 5 Thermocouple Installation. Welcome back to our Mass Concrete Master Series. In this module, we will discuss how temperature is monitored inside mass concrete and why thermocouples are one of the most critical components of a successful thermal control plan. What is a thermocouple? A thermocouple is a temperature sensor installed within and around concrete to measure temperature in real time during the hydration process. As cement hydrates, heat is generated inside the concrete. Thermocouples allow engineers to continuously monitor this temperature development and assess the risk of thermal cracking. For this reason, thermocouples are considered a vital part of any mass concrete thermal monitoring system. Typical thermocouple arrangement. At each monitoring location, 2 or sometimes 3 thermocouples are typically installed. 1. Core thermocouple. The first thermocouple is installed at the center or core of the concrete mass. Its purpose is to record the maximum internal temperature generated by the heat of hydration. This location generally experiences the highest temperature within the concrete. 2. Surface thermocouple. The second thermocouple is installed near the concrete surface. It measures the temperature of the outer concrete zone, which is directly influenced by environmental conditions and curing methods. 3. Ambient thermocouple. If it is required, the third thermocouple is installed outside the concrete in the surrounding environment. Its purpose is to record the ambient air temperature and provide a reference for evaluating temperature trends and thermal behavior. The most critical parameter. In mass concrete, the concern is not simply the maximum temperature. The most critical factor is the temperature difference between the core and the surface. If this temperature differential becomes excessive, thermal stresses can develop within the concrete, increasing the risk of thermal cracking. Role in the thermal control plan. The temperature data collected from thermocouples is continuously reviewed to ensure that temperature limits specified in the approved thermal control plan are not exceeded. This enables the project team to take timely corrective actions whenever required. Key takeaway. Remember, thermocouples are not just temperature sensors. They are real-time monitoring and risk control devices used to prevent thermal cracking and ensure the long-term durability of mass concrete. Thermocouple locations, monitoring frequency, and temperature acceptance criteria shall comply with the approved thermal control plan and project specifications. In the next module, we will learn how temperature monitoring is performed on site, including monitoring frequency, data logging systems, reporting requirements, and interpretation of temperature trends.